Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Akna Windy Safira from class A. In here, I wanna explain about how to analysis the sentence from the article. The assignment is to the final project of English syntax. The final project about the English syntax is a analysis about the lexical and parasal categories, and I will draw about the tree diagram about the sentence. Before analysis sentence in lexical categories and parasal categories, we can understand about the lexical categories and parasal categories include by in lexical categories include by open and closed. In open include by noun, verb, adjective, adverb. Closed include by determinant, a, the, etc. Conjunction include by an, or, etc. And preposition include by in, on, at, etc. In parasal categories include by noun phrase, verb phrase, adjective phrase, adverb phrase, and preposition phrase. After you understand about the lexical categories and parasal categories, we can draw about the tree diagram. I will analyze about the 5 sentence in article. The title is The Analysis of Subject-Verb Agreement Errors on Students Writing Descriptive Text by Mr. Muslah Habibullah and Miss Nafisatul Hasanah. First, I will identify about the lexical categories and parasal categories. First is the lexical categories is determinant. Material is the noun, tough is the verb, by is preposition, the is determinant, and teacher is noun. The parasal categories is the material is noun phrase, and taught by the teacher is the verb phrase. Okay, I will draw about tree diagram. The material taught by the teacher is the subject, and subject include by noun phrase and verb phrase. In noun phrase include by determinant and noun. Verb phrase include by verb and preposition phrase. Preposition phrase include by preposition and noun phrase. And noun phrase include by determinant and noun. After that, we can identify about the sentence in the tree diagram. In determinant is the noun is material, verb is taught, preposition is by, determinant is the, and noun is the teacher. Okay, next we can make a PS rules. The PS rules include by the subject. The subject include by noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase include by determinant and noun. The verb phrase include by the verb and preposition phrase. The preposition phrase include by preposition and noun phrase. The noun phrase include by the determinant and noun. Okay, the second sentence is the she put the book on the table. She is noun, put is verb, the is determinant, book is noun, on is preposition, the is determinant, and table is noun. It is the lexical categories, and parasal categories is she is noun phrase, put the book on the table is the verb phrase. Okay, next I will draw about the tree diagram. She put the book on the table is subject. The subject include by the noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase include by the noun. The verb phrase include by the verb, noun phrase, and preposition phrase. The noun phrase include by the determinant and noun. The preposition include by the preposition and noun phrase. Noun phrase. Noun phrase include by the determinant and noun. Okay, I will analyze about the sentence in the tree diagram. Noun is the she, verb is the put, the determinant is the noun is the book, preposition is the on, determinant is the, and noun is the table. Okay, I will write the PS rules. PS rules. The PS rules is the subject include by the noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase include by noun. Verb phrase include by the verb, noun phrase, and preposition phrase. And noun phrase include by the determinant and noun. Preposition phrase include by preposition and noun phrase. Noun phrase include by the determinant and noun. Okay, the third sentence is the errors made by the students. The lexical categories is the is determinant, errors is noun, made is verb, by is preposition, the is determinant, and students is noun. The parasal categories is the errors is noun phrase, made by the student is verb phrase. Okay, next I will write the tree diagram. The errors made by the students is subject. The subject included by the noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase included by the determinant and noun, and verb phrase included by the verb. Preposition phrase. Preposition phrase included by the preposition and noun phrase. And noun phrase included by the determinant and noun. Okay, after that, we can the analysis about the sentence in the tree diagram. Yes, determinant is the noun is the errors, verb is the made, preposition is the by, determinant is the, and noun is student. After that, we can write the PS rules. PS rules. The is the subject included by the noun phrase and verb phrase. Noun phrase included by the determinant and noun. Noun phrase. And verb phrase included by the verb and preposition phrase. The preposition phrase included by the preposition and noun phrase. The noun phrase included by the determinant and noun. The fourth sentence is she teach the Indonesian language. The lexical categories is the she is noun phrase, teach is the verb, the is the determinant, Indonesian is the adjective, and language is the noun. The parasol categories is she is the noun phrase, teach the Indonesian language is verb phrase. The next is I write the tree diagram. Is she teach the Indonesian language is the sentence. The sentence included by the noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase included by the noun and verb phrase included by the the verb phrase included by the verb and noun phrase. The noun phrase included by the determinant, adjective, and the noun. And then I will write the she teach the Indonesian language in the tree diagram. The noun is the she, verb is the teach, determinant is the adjective is Indonesian, and noun is the language. Okay, I will write the PS rules. The PS rules is the subject. Sentence included by the noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase included by the noun. The verb phrase included by the verb and noun phrase, and noun phrase included by the determinant, adjective, and noun. Okay, the last sentence is the student apply a rule. The lexical categories is the is determinant, student is noun, apply is verb, is determinant, and rule is noun. The parasal categories is the student is the noun phrase and apply a rule is verb phrase. The student apply a rule is the sentence in the tree diagram. Sentence is the included by the noun phrase and verb phrase. In noun phrase included by the determinant and noun. In verb phrase included by the verb and noun phrase. Noun phrase included by determinant and noun. Okay, after that I will analyze about the sentence in the tree diagram. The determinant is the noun is the student, verb is apply, determinant is the rule, noun is the rule. Okay, next I will write the PS rules. Sentence included by the noun phrase and verb phrase. The noun phrase included by the determinant and noun. Verb phrase included by the verb and noun phrase. And noun phrase included by the determinant and noun. Okay, that's all from me. More or less, I apologize and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.